Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I am shopping with my sister Callie, the one that made me the beautiful scrunchie that you guys loved. So we are doing some more Halloween hunting. Well, at least I am. She's like getting fabric and stuff for all of her crafts. But we are at Joann's right now, and if you can see it through the back window right there. So if there's not a lot of people around, I will pull out my camera and show you guys what they have at this Joann's. This one's pretty far from our house, like what, like 25-30 minutes, yeah, around there. So this is not the closest Joann's, but I think that they will have more Halloween decor than the other one, because this Joann's is like twice the size as the other one. So we'll see. Guys, so we left Joann's and we got a few things from there, and we just got to Michael's, so we're gonna head in there and see exactly what Halloween stuff they have out. I'm hoping that this Michael's will have a little bit more than the other Michael's, because the other Michael's literally hasn't gotten anything new in like a month. So fingers crossed that we're gonna find some more stuff in here. We'll see. Okay guys, so we just left Michael's. I have secured quite a few Halloween things. They had a little bit more than the other Michael's, but they weren't like fully stocked or anything. But I did spend like $100. I paid cash, so my husband doesn't know, so we'll keep this on the down low. So now we're headed to Target to see what Halloween stuff they have out at this one, and to see if they also have any more of those apothecary bottles in the dollar spot.
Okay guys, so here's everything that I bought today. So I'm just gonna walk you through everything I bought, tell you where I got it, and show you guys how much it was, if it has it on the package or whatever. So first we went to Joann's over there, which had a lot more stuff than the Joann's that's closer to my house, but their stuff is just so expensive. I just like couldn't convince myself to buy any of the things that I wanted. Like everything that I wanted was like $49.99. So like I wasn't having that. I did get these really pretty fall like watercolor pumpkin napkins. We're gonna be doing a cool craft with these very soon. And then I also got this really cool like table cover. It's supposed to like go over like another table cover so that you can actually see it. So I got that. This is $19.99, but I believe I got it for like $12, $13, something like that. And then these napkins were $5, but I got these napkins like 40% or 50% off. Then we went to Michael's where I bought the most stuff. So I got this really cool pillow that is like a bull skull, and it has like this cool moon design, like it has crescent moons, like all the moon phases above it. It has florals, and then it has like these, they look like they're like, you know, like hand stitched flowers. And on the skull, it has like a carving and it has some feathers. So it looked really similar to my logo. So I just like had to get that because like, why wouldn't I, right? This was $29.99, but I got it for 20 bucks because it was like 30% off, I think. And I think I'm gonna put this like in my office because like my office stuff is kind of like black and white. So I thought this would look really cool like in my desk chair or whatever. And same thing for this sign. This was the only sign of this one that I saw at Michael's. But it says, see your fortune, past, present, future, discover your destiny. It's like a fortune teller sign. And it actually like stands up like this. So I'm gonna put it on one of my bookshelves in my office, but it lights up. Isn't that so cool? I thought that was so pretty. I just love it. It's battery operated, and this was $29.99. So I got that for like 21 bucks too. So then I got this broom in their fall decor section. It's like the one that kind of like smells like fall and like cinnamon. It's regularly $12, but they were having a sale on these and I got it for $6. So I thought this was cool because it kind of looks like a witch's broom. So I'm gonna put this by my cauldron over there in front of my fireplace. And then I got this pretty potion bottle. I thought this was really pretty to add to my apothecary collection. This was $5.99 and I got it for $4.19. And then I also got this craft wood. These like range from like $5 to $7, I think. But these were regular price. I just used like a 20% off regular priced items, but I'm gonna be making some signs out of these. And then the last thing I got from Michael's was this really cool tombstone. It stands up like that. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but it says, here in the forest dark and deep, I offer you eternal sleep. So I just thought that like looked really cool. And this was 25 bucks. And I think I got it for like $17.50 or something like that. So after Michael's, then we went to Target, and that is where I got a few things. They didn't have like the other apothecary bottles and stuff, but they did have this one. I haven't seen this one before. It's a potion bottle. It was $3. They had 3 different kinds, but I got this one because it says magic potion and it has like a cool little beetle with like the all-seeing eye on it. And I didn't even notice this in the store, but it has like this switch on the bottom and it actually lights up and changes colors, which I think is pretty cool. So for 3 bucks, you couldn't beat that. And I also got this cool black LED candle that also has a switch. It was also $3 and it flickers like a real candle. And they had these in like 2 different sizes that I saw. I also got this super cute little pumpkin with like an open mouth, and you can put candy in here or whatever you want. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that. This was in the regular Halloween section and this was only $10, super cute. And I also got this cute little, it looks like a little gumball dispenser, but it's actually a jar. The top opens, and I found this in the dollar spot for $3. They had them in black and white. I got the last black one. I thought that this jar jar part was literally just this, but the jar actually goes all the way down to the bottom. So it holds more than you think, and for $3, you cannot beat that. So then, because we had just a little extra time before I had to go pick up my daughter from school, then we ran over to Home Goods because it was right next to Target. And that is where I got this super cute plushy dog toy. It's a little candy corn, and it was only $3.99. And I got this really cool book. So it has like this protection spell and like a love spell, and like the hands are holding it open. And I could lay it down like this, but it's actually supposed to stand up like so. So I thought that was really cool. Anyway, so there is everything that I got. Like I said, we're gonna be keeping this from my husband, just between you and me, okay? Guys, so we went garage sale shopping this morning, and I found this mirror at a garage sale for $2. My thought was I'm gonna spray paint the frame black so that it matches all my other spooky Halloween decor. But if I wanna use it in the future, I can, because black matches a lot of the stuff that I have already. So I'm going to tape off the mirror so that I don't spray paint the mirror by accident. All right, guys, so here is my mirror. I think it looks great on the fireplace and with all of the spooky decor. Okay guys, so it is the next day, and as you guys saw, I got the mirror up last night and put that cool spooky material over it. And I have finally figured out where all of the new Halloween decor is going to go now. So I just wanted to quickly run through and show you guys where I decided to put all of this new spooky decor that we got. Okay, so as you guys saw, we got the mirror up, and I have my spooky fabric. I decided to take away the black candles just because it was a lot of black on here. So I put the white candles in front of the mirror, and here is our cool sign that we got. I love the way it looks. And then over here, this is where I have my cute little pumpkin, and I just put some Halloween M&Ms in there. And then in here, I put one of the black candles in here with that beautiful floral skull that we did. And here is that book that stands up with the cool spells in it. I thought it looked really cool with all of my apothecary stuff over here. And if you guys can't tell, here is that table cover that we bought. And then I decided to put the cute little gumball dispenser jar with some candy corn in it in here. And on the other side, I have the other black candle and the black light up potion bottle. Oh, and almost forgot, here is our witch's broom on the side of my fireplace. All right guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you liked it, please let me know that you liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any other small business vlogs. I'll catch you guys in the next one.